Hey friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Genevieve, and in today's video I am showing you guys how I achieved these distress locks all by myself. I did these braids by myself and I think I did well on a first try. This is my first time trying distress locked. I've done box braids on myself before, but this is the first time I tried these locks, and I must say that I am in love with this style. Okay, I'm loving it. It is lightweight. It doesn't pull or tug on my hair or anything. It is very light. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yes, let's get into it and let me show you guys how you can achieve a braid like this. I can't stop looking at myself. By yourself. All right, so yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, so this is the hair that I used to achieve this style. It's the Darling Kinky Twist 20 inches in color 1. I used exactly two packs of this hair to achieve this hairstyle that you see me wearing. So yeah, that is it. Okay guys, so I have a huge mirror behind me, and the small one you just saw assists me to do the pattern behind my head. So yes, that's exactly what I'm doing. I just check the place I want to part, and then I put the mirror down and go through my hair. So after parting, I just make sure the part is as clean as I can, and then I go ahead to do the small pattern and apply my leave-in, which also serves as my moisturizer. Then a little bit of a gel to the hair just to tame it down. So after taming my hair down, I will take one strand of the kinky twist, divide it into 2, and then further divide the half into 3 like you see me doing here, and apply it just as I'm doing a box braid, with one side longer than the other. So the longer side will be 2/3 of the whole strand, and the shorter side will be 1/3 of the whole strand. I hope you understand. Then I'll just do like I'm doing a normal box braids. Then after I braid down about 5 or 6 times, I'll go back. I will start wrapping the longer portion, the longer 2/3 portion, back around the braid I just did, back to my roots like you're seeing me doing here, and then further wrap it down to my hair strand. I hope you understand. Yes, I'm going to do it again for you to see, then you can get it clearly what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I just wrap it around. So now I'm wrapping the longer portion of the hair around the shorter portion of the hair to create that distress lock. Okay, so yeah, that's exactly what you see me doing here. And then when you get to the end, you just make a double knot there just to prevent it from unraveling, and yeah, you are done. So easy. So I'm gonna shut up this time and allow you to watch what I'm doing. Maybe that will be the best way for you to understand. So yeah. Okay guys, so after so many hours, I'm finally left with just this last row, and I'm so happy. So I'm gonna go through the last row with you guys just so that you're able to get a glimpse of what I've been trying to say all this while. Okay, if you've not gotten it yet, this is your time. So it took me a while to actually put in these braids because I had my toddler home, and we paused and eat, we paused and poop, we paused and do that. So it took me a while. So you can see I've changed my position because it was late and I had to come to my hall and get assistance from other source of lighting. So yeah, now this is how I go about it. Like I explained earlier, I start with a normal box braid, and then I braid about 5 or 6 braids down. Then I start wrapping the hair back down to my roots around the braids that I just did, and then further down, back up to my roots, and then further down the braids just to cover my hair. And I think I've actually fallen in love with this protective style because it actually covers your whole hair. It doesn't expose your hair at all. There is apart from your roots, your whole strand of hair is covered in a protective style, and I think that's what makes it a protective style for me. And since I did it by myself, it wasn't too tight. Actually, when I was through and I was trying to put it together, I felt some tension, but it wasn't too tight that will cause any damage to my edges. It's been a while whilst I'm doing this voiceover and my edges are intact. So yeah, it wasn't too tight since I did it by myself, and I love it. It is lightweight, it's not too heavy. Sometimes I don't even feel like I've braided my hair at all, and it didn't take too long for the tightness I was feeling to resolve because, like I said, I didn't make it too tight. So yes, this is another one of the braid I'm doing that I need you to pay attention to how it's going. So you braid down, you wrap the hair, the longer portion of the hair, don't forget, back up to your roots like you see me doing. And then when you get to your roots, you wrap around like 2 or 3 times just to make it secured. And then you start wrapping downwards the whole strand of your hair together with the shorter part of the kinky extension that you added to it. And that's it. So easy to do. Give it a try. You can. So yeah. Finally, I'm all done, and this is how it looks. I was loving it, but I was so tired. This is the length that I was able to achieve with the technique I used, and this is my back. It's quite clean, right? It's quite clean. I think I did a good job. I'm so proud of myself, So yeah, I was trying to put it together because I was going to go to work the next day and I needed to have it put together. So I was trying to put it in a style that I'll be wearing for work the next day. This is the part that I felt the tightness, but it wasn't anything I couldn't bear. I didn't take any painkiller or anything for it. I just left it like this and went to work the next day. And in about 2 days, I think on the second day, I didn't feel the tightness anymore. So yeah, it wasn't that painful. It was just a normal tightness because once I've put in it in braids, I'm gonna feel the tightness, but it wasn't anything that will cause damage to my hair. So yeah, this is how I styled it for the next day to go to work. And yeah, Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, give it a try to do your own hair by yourself. Okay, I think for me, I think it's better that way because you have control over what you want to do. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.